Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put bounce effect on Capcut. First, open Capcut and then tap on New Project. Now tap on the videos that you would like to select on this one and then tap Add. Once the videos are added, make sure to adjust them up to 2 seconds. So, first video, I'll adjust them to 2 seconds. And then also in here. There. Once both or all of your clips are for 2 seconds, then tap on the first clip. Tap on animation. Tap in. And then slide right. Find the effect or the animation that says rock vertically. So this is the effect we're gonna use. And then make sure to adjust it, the duration, for 2 seconds. There it is. Once you're done with the first clip, then you can go to the next one, tap animation, in, and then tap on rock vertically. Here it is. So if we're going to play the video, it's like the photos were bouncing. You can do it to all of the clips that you have and also change the animations that you want, but that's basically how to put bounce effect on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.